Namaskar, myself, Dr. Kamla or Nagar, Professor and Head, Department of Dravaguna, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to share my lecture on Shatavari or Asparagus racemosus. Content of the lecture are general introduction, morphology, properties, useful part and doses, and Ayurvedic preparations. Shatavari or Asparagus racemosus has numerous health benefits. Its roots have reproductive tonic, galactagogue, antidiuretic, antidysenteric, antioxidant, antidiabetic, diuretic, and laxative properties. In Ayurveda, Shatavari is known as rasayan that increases the fertility, longevity, cures weakness, and prevents aging. Dried root powder of Asparagus racemosus is helpful in increasing breast milk in nursing mothers. Shatavari root powder is used by men to cure nocturnal emission and increasing fertility. This is the view of Shatavari. Native name is Asparagus racemosus. Family is Liliaceae. Hindi name is Shatavari, Shatavar or Shatmuli. English name is asparagus. Ayurvedic properties of Shatavari is it is in ras, it is madhur and thick. Gun or guru is snigdha. Virya is sheath. Vipak is madhur. Effect on dosh is vata pitta shamak. Parts to be used are tuber. Dosage of Shatavari juice is 10 to 20 ml. Decoction is 50 to 100 ml and powder is 3 to 6 grams. Uses of Shatavari is Shatavari may help fight against certain cancers like bone, breast, lung, and colon cancer. Folate that is present in Shatavari can reduce the risk of neural tuber defect in pregnant women. Diuretic property of Shatavari useful in promoting the production of urine. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant nutrient present in Shatavari helps to reduce common chronic health problems. Shatavari helps regulate blood, fat, and cholesterol levels. Eating of asparagus aids in digestion and helps boost the body's immune system. Vitamin K present in Shatavari can increase bone mineral density and also prevent hardening of arteries. Shatavari reduces the risk of heart diseases and even lowers blood pressure. Fiber in Shatavari lowers the cholesterol, which is helpful for weight loss. Shatavari helps to reduce the risk of depression. Thanks to share your time with me. If you find any difficulty to understand the topic, please comment in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thanks once again.